Bah! Oh my God. I don't know. It was more scarier, me trying to scare you there or us having to do math work. All right, guys. It is your one and only boy, Mr. Noland. All right, you got this. If we can get this thing to focus here. Come on. Focus. Focus. Students, you need to focus, just like this camera. All right, so today we are going into proportions. Proportions is really just an extension of unit rates and ratios. Now, we're going to take our paper here and we are going to fold it because it is a foldable. Oh my God! Woo! Look at that. Now, there are 5 strategies for solving proportions. The first one is a ratio table. All right. So I'm going to zoom in so we can see one step at a time here. So this is strategy 1. I'm going to write that again here. Strategy number 1. And this is called ratio table. All right. So I'm going to read y'all a story here. It goes like this. The ratio of yellow to orange marbles. Okay, so we're talking about marbles here. We're talking about yellow marbles and orange marbles. The ratio is 4 to 5. So that means for every 4 yellow marbles, there are 5 orange marbles. If there are 45 marbles in the bag, how many are yellow and how many are orange? Oh my God, this is a little tough here. Okay, well think about this. If there's 4 yellow and 5 orange, how many marbles would that be total? Well, that'd be 9. It would be 9. So I'm going to put down here, this is our total amount. Okay. Now looking at my ratio table, what are my yellows going by? Well, they're going by 4s. So count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. What are my oranges going by in my ratio table? Well, they're going by 5s. So count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now again, we're looking for a total of 45 marbles in all. Well, we said earlier 4 marbles plus 5 marbles is 9. Well, 8 plus 10 is 18. 12 plus 15 is 27. If y'all can see a pattern here, I'm increasing by 9 every time. So this next one will be 36. And then voila, look at this, 45 marbles right there. Now the question says, how many are yellow? Well, in my yellow, there are 20 marbles. And in my orange, there are 25 marbles. Voila, we are done with the ratio table. All right. Next one we're going to go to is going to be dun, 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 scale factor within ratio or rate. So we're going to put scale factor within ratio or rate. And this is strategy number 2. All right. Give you all a second there. All right, seconds up. All right. A flavor of frozen yogurt has 27 calories and 3 ounces. How many calories are in 7 ounces of frozen yogurt? Oh my God, it's my one chart words original new. What 2 things am I comparing? Well, I'm comparing calories to ounces. Oh, wrong one. Here we go. Calories to ounces. It tells us for 27 calories, there are 3 ounces. We want to know how many calories are in 7 ounces. Okay, so we said we're looking for a scale factor within the ratio or rate. Within means up and down. Because if you look to go from 3 to 7, that's not a good scale factor. That's actually known as a between scale factor. We're not doing that one yet. So within. Well, to get from 3 to 27, what did you multiply by? Well, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. I see 9 fingers. Oh my God, if I only have 9 fingers, one of them got chopped off. No, I'm just kidding. It's right here. All right. So 7 times my scale factor of 9. 7 times 9 would be 63. So the answer is 63 calories. And that was strategy 2. That was a scale factor within the ratio or rate. All right, on to strategy number 3. All right, let's see here. Strategy number 3 here. That's the scale factor between the ratios and rates. So, scale factor between ratios and rates. All right. On a map, the scale reads 2 centimeters to 5 kilometers. So again, we're comparing centimeters to kilometers. It already told us for 2 centimeters, there's 5 kilometers. If 2 cities are 8 centimeters apart, how many kilometers apart are they? Well, remember on this previous one, we did the scale factor within, which means, can I really go from 2 to 5? Does that give me a nice number? No. But I have a scale factor between, which means you went from here to here. To go from 2 to 8, what did you multiply by? Well, you multiplied by 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. So the answer is 20 kilometers. All right. All right, strategy number 4. Is going to be, Transformers. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's not Transformers. That's a terrible movie anyways. It's transformations. It means to simplify the ratio or rate. A glacier moves about 15 inches every 10 hours. So we are comparing inches to hours. Well, think about it. It gives me some original information. 15 inches in 10 hours. About how far does the glacier move in 24 hours? Well, there's a reason I put it all the way over here on this new. Strategy 4 was simplifying the ratio or rate. So we're going to simplify the ratio or rate. Can I simplify the 15 and the 10? Yes, you can. You can divide by 5. 5 goes into both of them. Well, 15 divided by 5 is 3. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Oh, would you look at this? I now have a good scale factor. To get from 2 to 24, you multiply by 12. So 3 times 12 would give you 36. So the answer is 36 inches. Now this was actually like 2 strategies in one. The first strategy I did, I simplified the ratio. The second thing is I did the between like we did on strategy 3. You went the between and got the scale factor. Whoop, whoop. Last one. Everyone's favorite. Not really, but it's the butterfly. I tell you, I love butterflies until there's so many and they hit my windshield. Oh, makes it so hard to see. All right, so here we go. Strategy number 5. The butterfly method. 4 students spent $9.40 on lunch. On this rate, how much would 10 students spend on the same school lunch? So we're comparing students to money. Well, my first ratio, it says, is 4 students paid $9.40. We want to know how much would 10 students, so if you had 10 students, how much would they spend? This is my X. This is my unknown. So the butterfly is you're taking what's diagonally across. So in this case, 4 and the X, you're going to multiply them together. 4 times X, and that's going to be equal to 940 times 10. Guys, remember this dot right here. It is another sign for multiplication. So we're going to multiply. 4 times X, you just combine those. That's 4 X's. $9.40 times 10. Well, guys, if you multiply by 10, you really just move the decimal one place to the right. So that's 94. If you want to, you can get on a calculator and check me, but I'm 94% right. No, I'm just kidding. It's right. All right. So now we have 4 times some unknown number X, and it's going to give you 94. So what you're going to do is you're going to divide by 4. Let's see. 4 goes into 9 2 times. 2 times. 4 can go into 14 3 times. Can 4 go into 2? Sorry, I moved my work over here because I was falling off the paper. Can 4 go into 2? No, it cannot. So there's my decimal. Add a 0. 4 can go into 20 5 times. So 10 students would pay $23.50. Well, there's your 5 strategies. So I'm going to go over this really fast again. Strategy 1, the ratio table. There's your table. A scale factor within, which means the scale factor is up and down. Scale factor between means you're going left and right to find a scale factor. Strategy 4 is to simplify the ratio. And finally, step 5 is the butterfly method. In my honest opinion, I would keep the butterfly method for last. It's the most difficult one for most students. I would hold off on it. Alright guys, I hope this video was not only entertaining, because I was entertaining myself, but I hope it helps you out. You guys do have a test on Friday. You guys have a great evening and a great weekend. I'll talk to you soon. It's your boy, Mr. Noland, signing out. Adios, guys.